It's about to get crazy up in here. The reason I say that is because some elements have variable oxidation numbers. This is iron 3. There is an iron 2 possibility. So I want you to put together and make iron oxide, and let's experiment with that for just a minute. So let's get these cutouts done, and let's put these two irons kind of together, and then let's position these oxygens to match over here. And the whole point of cutting these out is so that they will kind of make a uniform rectangle or a uniform square, kind of showing how that elements roughly, not roughly, well, they roughly match in this picture, but they make neutral compounds when you combine them. So the two iron 3 ions match with the 3 oxygen ions and make iron 3 oxide. So write that out and give me the formula for that. What's the formula going to look like? How many irons do you have and how many oxygens do you have? I'll have a link below for the cutouts and also for the answers.